Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video newsletter, I'm mostly just going to focus here on the SPX. And I think a view of the SPX that is somewhat unique, because how often do we start off these videos and look at charts and all day, every day discuss charts? But you need to be just as good at looking at a risk profile chart and understanding what it implies. So I'm going to use that for tonight's review and show you the opinion that I have heading into next week. Because into next week is a very pivotal moment in time, right? We've got the monthly witching expiration, and there are a lot of things that move around this that can cause nuance in the market or have it behave in a certain way. And I think also the very unique part about doing tonight's review is that I don't have up or down. You know, a lot of times we're looking at like, what's the pattern? Are we headed up or are we headed down? I think we are headed between 6,000 and 6,100. And that's, how much wiggle do you have inside that? You could put a huge question mark right in the middle, because I don't know what the wiggles will be, but I think the only thing that we are guaranteed is the passage of time, and therefore we can start to work strategies around these strikes. Now, the first strategy that I think traders learn is something like the iron condor. And they say, okay, I've got my ranges. I can see your point of view from 6K and 6,100. And then they'll do, the sale of the call, the sale of the put, and then define their risk through the purchase of a defending contract. The unbalanced fly creates a similar situation, but there is less anxiety if your body is tested, right? Because if you do the iron condor and you move very sharply into one of these strikes, it can be an anxiety producing thing. But if you do them through unbalanced butterflies, and you'll see I've got two different durations here, that's the other thing that's great about this strategy. You probably can't do it for tomorrow. There just won't be enough premium. But if you step out into next week, you can take in credits on these. And I think it's a much better way of pursuing a range-bound market. So again, as opposed to telling you up or down, it's just somewhere in this vicinity. And I really think we have to take the delta neutral, theta positive, short vega kind of position into next week. And that's where I'm putting my money for the next few days. I hope you find that a helpful review. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the chat room tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.